who gets to stay home because of the snowstorm. I think Kayla should be home in a minute. Yeah. I guess the weather is snowstorm today, so Kayla doesn't have class. Okay. The girl gets home. I'm back from school. How was your day? It was good. It was good, honey. Just go unpack your stuff and get dressed. Okay. Okay. My camera. Act like she ate her cherry flavor and her water. I'm just gonna go put my water bottle in the fridge. Okay. Wait. Okay. So I should better go get dressed. It's kind of chilly outside, so I have to wear a jacket. I'm done unpacking, Dad. Okay. I'm just gonna go take a nap. Let's just watch a show. Okay. They watch a show. 5 minutes later. I'm done taking a nap. I'm done taking a nap. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sweetie. Good afternoon, Kayla. Okay. I'm just gonna go sit there. It gets night. Babe. Yeah? It's almost nighttime. I think we should go to bed. Sure. Let's go to bed. Okay, it's time for you to go to bed. Okay. Good night. Good night, sweetie. Turn on my diffuser. Perfect. Let's go to bed. Okay. We just can't forget our phones. Close the door, close the door. I'm just gonna go put them back. Let's go to bed. Sure. The next morning. Tomorrow's good morning. Good morning. Well, today's Wednesday. I think we don't have work and school. Okay. Cause it's a snowy snowstorm weather. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna go or just open the box. It's morning. Good morning, Mom. Good morning. Do you want some breakfast, honey? Yes. Okay. Do you want tofu? I want tofu. Okay. I'm just gonna do some drinks. Here. I'm just gonna do some plate. Hey, get the plate. Here's your plate, honey. Thanks, Mom. No problem. My food. And I'm done. Put the plate in the sink and put it back in my fridge. Okay, go get dressed, honey. Okay. Mom, is it today's Wednesday? Today's Wednesday. You don't have school because it's a snowstorm weather. Okay. Dad? Good morning, honey. What do you want? Is today Wednesday? Today's Wednesday. I guess we don't have school and work because it's a snowstorm today, and the weather. Okay. I'm just gonna go watch some news. Do you want to watch news? No, good. No, I'm good. I'm just gonna go get on Discord. Sure. I'm just go get on Discord. Hey, bestie. Hi. I'm just go put headphones on. Let's just go watch a show. Okay. We just have to go get dressed first. Okay. It's kind of chilly. I mean it's kind I'm just gonna wear this. Sure. I'm just gonna wear this too. Okay, let's go watch the news. Sure. They're watching news. After she get on Discord, she gets off. Can I watch? Sure. Sure, honey. 10 hours later, after watching the show. It's been taking a long time. There's no snowstorm. So there's gonna be a snowstorm tomorrow. Yeah, babe. Dad, Mom, can we go out today? Sure. Sure. Turn off the TV and get dressed. I'm just gonna go wear this. Can I bring phone? Sure. Let's go get dressed. Okay, my phone and your phone. Thanks, honey. No problem. Let's go. Where do you want to go, honey? Can we go to that fancy restaurant? Sure. Okay. We're here. We do not bring our phones, right? Yeah, whatever. We're here. I'm just gonna go order a meal. Okay. Okay, babe. Hi. Hi. Do you want food? Sure. Okay, what do you want? After they eat it's it's done. Okay, we're done eating. Sorry about that, guys. There's an insect. Let's go, honey. Okay. Can we go more? Sure. I mean, can we go home now? Okay. I guess so. We're here, home. Home sweet home, babe. Yeah. Let's go wear this. Okay. It's never mind. Okay. It keeps messing up. I'm just gonna go get dressed. Okay. Come on, babe. Sure. I'm just gonna go watch a show. They went away watch Raising Dion or Toy Story. Let's just continue watching Toy Story because we haven't watched last few weeks. Okay. They watched Toy Story. Wait, wait. I'm just gonna find the disc. Disc. Oh, there's a disc. Gets disc. Guys, I just found the disc. Okay. Put the TV on the disc. After they watch Toy Story, it gets nighttime. Well, it's almost 19. I'm just gonna go turn off the TV. It powers off and then the disc comes out. Oh, puts this puts disc back. It's time to go to bed. Okay. Is there going to be a snowstorm tomorrow? Yeah, it's going to be a snowstorm. I'm just gonna go ask Siri. Siri, is tomorrow snowstorm? Tomorrow's snowstorm. Oh yeah, tomorrow's snowstorm. Babe, let's go to bed. Okay. Good night, honey. Good night. Close the door. Let's go to bed. Okay. Act like I switched to the wrong space. Close the door. These are my photos, but I'm just okay for them. The next morning. Good morning. Good morning world. Turn off my diffuser. Turn off my diffuser and perfect. I'm just gonna go get dressed. It's kind of chilly outside. It's a snowstorm. Good morning. Good morning, babe. Today's Thursday today. Yeah, it's Thursday. Is there a snowstorm? There's a snowstorm today in what do you call this? Singapore. Oh, we're in Singapore. Babe, are we in location Singapore? We're in Singapore. Sure. Good morning, mom and dad. Good morning. Do you want to watch a show? Sorry. Sure. Sure. Y'all can go get dressed. Okay. Let's go get dressed, babe. Sure. I hope you enjoyed this roleplay. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.